Hi, I have a box opening. So I already cut the back here, back where my address is. So I'm just going to slice right here, and down the middle. So this is a custom that I've been paying for, and I just paid her off. So I'm super excited to get her, to open her. Spiderweb, super cute. Oh, there's some little things in here. Oh, look how cute. Sorry. Maybe we'll do this. Cute little purple dragon. Fun. That's fun. And of course, it is from Pumpkin Sparkles Babies from Chelsea Pierce. So this is one I've been paying on. This baby was an idea that I had, that when I first saw the kit, I wanted it. I was interested in it. It just right when the first time I saw it for sale somewhere else, I thought, oh, what a cute baby. But I had it pictured in my head how I kind of wanted one, how it was painted. And because I had other customs by Pumpkin Sparkles, I just kind of thought I'd have to put it on hold, or maybe I just wouldn't get one. But as I was getting them paid off, I started thinking, is this kit a limited edition? Is it, could it end up being hard to find or getting like really expensive to find? And I showed my husband a picture of one finished, and he said, oh wow, that one's cute. And I said, I know, I really want one. He goes, well, are there any for sale? And I said, well, I could ask the artist that makes a lot of my dolls if she could make one. And he goes, yeah, ask her. And so I asked her, and she ordered one, and I kind of told her how I wanted her painted. And as she was painting her hair, it was coming out different. And she sent me pictures and said, I don't know, this is, I tried. And I said, I love how she looks. I'm fine with it. It's just a lot of my babies that I have by her kind of resemble one another a little bit, like their colorings and stuff. And I was just kind of going for a different. And she goes, well, buy another kit and mail it to me and I'll try again. And I was like, no, I don't. I want this one. So anyway, so I've been painting on her, and she's here. And here's the infamous Clean Car scent wafer. It's not really a wafer, but it is. It's wafer square. And I got this box this morning, and I've had it sitting waiting to open up. And I have to say that just walking by the box, I could smell this, and I was so excited. So here she is. Cute green ribbon. And we'll start with her feet. And she did say, because I have a June by her that I got before last Halloween, so last year around this time or earlier, and I took her to a Halloween party, just dressed in just a normal Halloween outfit. Now that I'm thinking about it, I wonder where that outfit's at. And she's so heavy. So heavy. She's June, awake. I don't know how old they say she is. But anyway, she's super heavy. So I was telling her, because she had a picture with a baby, and I'd said, oh, cute baby, cute costumes and stuff. And she's like, oh my gosh, this baby was so heavy by the time I was done holding it. And I said, oh, June was like that last year. She goes, well, I weighted this one lighter, so we'll have to see. I do like heavy babies, but... So here's a foot. Oh, she's kind of scrunched in that box. She's kind of got a funky bend there. Oh, the vinyl is super soft. So here's one little foot. I was wondering when I saw the box, I was like, holy cow, this baby's not as big as I thought she is. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Look at that foot. Oh. And here's one hand. And the other hand. It's hard to see. And I have to say that I have had a love for preemies, and every preemie that there is, I have just, oh my gosh, I love that preemie. Oh my gosh, it's so little, it's so cute. But lately, there's something about these bigger babies that just has been getting to me too. So, I don't know. Never think you have a specific type because it might change. So here's her head. And I'm excited to see what her hair looks like because her hair is, I don't know if I already said that, her hair was the thing that didn't turn out quite how she wanted her to, or how we had discussed. So maybe we'll do a backward reveal so we can look at her hair first. So here's her hair, and I said I wanted lighter hair. So it has blondes in it, but it also has the browns. Oh, she put a magnet on her head. How fun. Oh, that is a strong magnet. Oh, she has a dent in her head. Oh, I love it. I love that hair. She's getting so good at hair. Not that I ever didn't really like the hair that she did before, but her hair is getting so much better. Oh my gosh, here's her face. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a little Huxley. Oh, hello, little girl. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, she's perfect, of course. So here she is, and this is a baby that I've wanted since like one of the first ones I saw. I have an Adelaide, and I guess they kind of go together, sisters or something. Princess Adelaide and Huxley, even though Adelaide is so much strangely smaller. But I know that Chelsea names her babies, and she's been coming up with some really cute names, but I've just been calling her Hux because I really like that name. I think Huxley's adorable. So here she is. Say hello. Look at that. And she's a little fairer. I think some of my babies she's painted have kind of a more newborn look, so they're darker, but she's really good at the darker hair, and I kind of wanted blonder hair. I have Marcus, it's Lola, and she has white hair and a little tuft. So she did put the white blonde in there. So this is her. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my goodness. And I let her, I'm not like particular about like really eye color or anything. Her head is still a little floppy, which is fun. Let's see. Let me look at this. Look at, you got a purple dragon. That's so fun. That's so fun, a purple dragon. So look at your peepers. Can't get you to sit up. Oop. Stay there, baby. All right, we'll scoot you back. Oh, she even did a pacifier. That's fun. My last few babies from her, she didn't have a pacifier. Oh, and I got an extra wafer. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Here's her pacifier. I love these pacifiers. Oh, She sent one home with my twin A. Oh, you're such a sweet baby. She is so cute. I love this kit. Oh my goodness. You are so cute. So here, this will help us figure out. Oh, and Chelsea's been doing these pictures. Look at this adorable picture. And gets them printed. And here is her. It is a limited edition of 1,500. And she's number 817. Andrea Arcello. Arcello. Oh my gosh. I mean, I love this kit so much that I have seen other ones for sale recently, and I've thought to myself, I wouldn't mind buying another one. Just like I have 2 Maddies. I would love 2 Huxleys. But they're not tiny, they're not preemies. They take up lots of space. Anyway, here she is. I think we're just going to call her Huxie. Oh, she's so cute. I like the blushing in between her eyes, her eyebrows. I do love her hair. I love the 2 tones in it, the 2 colors. Her little hands are so cute. A little pointy finger.